Understanding Sunburnt Days, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, sunburnt days. This phrase is a great example of how English can use vivid imagery to convey a feeling or a situation. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Sunburnt days is an idiom that paints a picture of days that are extremely sunny and hot, often to the point of causing discomfort. The word sunburnt usually refers to skin that has been burned by too much sun exposure. So, when we say sunburnt days, we are talking about days that are so sunny and hot that they could easily cause a sunburn if one is not careful. This phrase is often used to describe the height of summer or a heat wave. Now, let's see how to use sunburnt days in sentences. 1. During the sunburnt days of August, we often avoided going outside during the afternoon. 2. The festival was held during some of the most sunburnt days of the year. 3. I remember the sunburnt days of my childhood summers, playing in the backyard pool. As you can see, sunburnt days can be used to describe a specific time when the weather is extremely hot and sunny. It's important to note that sunburnt days is an idiomatic expression and should be used in the right context. It is more poetic and descriptive, making it perfect for creative writing or when you want to emphasize the intensity of the summer weather. It's less common in formal or business communication. That's all about sunburnt days. I hope this video helps you understand and use this colorful expression in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this add flavor to the language and can make your communication more vivid and expressive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using sunburnt days in your own sentences. Stay cool, and see you in our next lesson.